Alright guys, welcome back. So I finally have the iPhone 12 Pro Max Silicone Case, my highly recommended accessory for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In this video, let's see how the case is, how it fits with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and my experience with this particular case. So let's get started. So pretty much this is retailing for $49.99 in the US, $69.99 in Canada. There's two other options available from Apple, the ones that Apple makes. So this is a case that Apple makes directly, not a third-party case. So the other option is a leather case, which is going for $59, or the clear case, which is going for the same price as this one. They're both MagSafe compatible. So out of the box, you will get the actual case, which is the silicone design. Now you have options for 8 different colors. I've gone with the black one. I'm surprised they haven't called it graphite. So at the back, it's just a plain and simple silicone design. And on the inside, it reveals the actual plush material. And this over here is the MagSafe. It's to attach onto your iPhone 12 Pro Max, but also for other accessories that you want to put on. A great accessory that I have, which I'll explain later on, is this car vent mount. Highly recommend this. It's coming in a future video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on this particular video. Let's apply this case and share my personal experience with this case. Now, to apply this case, here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you haven't watched the unboxing, I'll leave it up there as well as underneath. It's a quick 5-minute unboxing of the 12 Pro Max, and so far I'm really enjoying this phone. So to apply this case, all you have to do is come in and then just snap it on like this. And what I have found, I know in the in Apple's actual trailer as well as the other videos, they show when you apply the case that there's a screen that pops up with the circular design on your screen to let you know that it's applied. It doesn't really happen to me quite often. I do get the noise, but let's see if it happens on screen. So let's come in from the back, and then all you have to do is simply drop it gently. Let's see if it comes. So yes, it did apply that circular design. Now the circular design is also black to match the black silicone case. Now overall, there's a good protection from this case for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. The other option that I was looking at was the clear case, which I personally didn't want to get because you could see the MagSafe design, so it wasn't really fully clear. And I have found that with my OtterBox series, it does get a little bit dirty and then it starts fading away. And scratches are also another big thing with the clear case, because you're able to see those scratches on your case. After a little while, it does seem like it's overused. So I have found with the silicone design, it's completely different in the sense that there's no scratches that are appearing on here. I mean, if you come with like a key or a knife and you scratch it, obviously it's going to be there. But hairline scratches, I don't see any of them. I've been using this phone for about 2 weeks now. Overall, no issues with the case as well as the phone. So let's take a look at the sides. On the right side, you have the power button. It's kind of protruding out from the case. On the left, you have the volume keys as well as the mute function. At the bottom, you have the charging port as well as speaker grill cutouts. So that's something that I really like about this case, as well as there's been no issues with taking photography, because I know that there are some cases that came out before the iPhone was released, and so the cutouts were a little bit weird. And I know that sometimes that if you are taking flash photography, that those cutouts could cause an issue to your photography. But overall, I've taken some pictures using this case, and I haven't found any issues whatsoever. I've shot a video as well, and I haven't found any issues whatsoever. So I have another video coming up, which I highly recommend that you subscribe so you don't miss out. It's going to be my top 5 recommendations for accessories for the iPhone 12 Pro Max or any of the 12 series. So make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular case. And I have heard from somebody else in my previous video for the iPhone SE case was the white color starts to fade. So if you have had that issue where your white silicone case was fading the color or was getting yellow, let me know in the comment section. I think it's good if we share that information, and I can ask Apple about this particular issue if it's happening to others. Personally, I haven't experienced that issue myself. I have this black case. I know somebody else who has the light blue case, and there's been no discoloration whatsoever. Now, the person who did have the discoloration with the white case, he mentioned that he went back to Apple. They exchanged the case for the same case. So that was really nice from Apple. But at the same time, that discoloration appeared again. So that's pretty much it for this quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. The review is coming out for this phone. Overall, like I said, I've been using it for 2 weeks daily for a bunch of things. It's coming in the review. I haven't had any issues whatsoever with this device. As always, thank you very much for coming back and watching this video, and I always appreciate the comments. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.